Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. To all my returning subscribers and supporters, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. In today's video, we are going to be doing a children place unboxing haul. So guys, it is actually a box this time. It's actually a box. Yeah, so these are they were purchased on the 20th of this month, and most of them were either 70 to 80% off, and then I had a code for save $10 when you spend 40. Yes guys, so let's get into everything that I got. So first and foremost, I got myself these headbands, and I bought them so that I can take the take this little bow off and add a bow of my own. And these were $656. I guess that's after the 10% off. So look, they're just like really soft, and it's cute this way too. It's cute this way, but I want to add an extra flair to it, so I just bought these for me. And it's like it's a 10-pack. It's a 10-pack, so these are for my use. And I bought some denim, and this is size 16. Let's see how is in a children place. Their stuff run really big, and so this is for Micah, because he's really slim, but he's tall, so this probably should fit. It's size 16. I got these really pretty gladiators. Let's put them out the little package so you guys can see them. Look how pretty, guys, look how pretty. And these were originally $34.95, and I got them for $5.84, and that's after the 10%. So all the price I'm gonna say is after the 10%. They're just so pretty. Let me see how much was the pants before the discount. So this was $24.95. Oh god, $24.95, and I think I paid like five something. Yeah, so $5.84 as well. Look how pretty, guys, look how pretty. So this is a 5-pack girl what do you call it, onesies, and these guys, you won't believe $39.95, and they were on sale for, but I got them for $9.34. But my god, guys, could you believe, imagine this is almost $40 for 5 this. Ain't no way. I got myself some little slippers, so I am laughing at myself because I saw these, and they said it said youth, right, 10 to 11. So I'm thinking, okay, these could probably fit Kiara, and they were $1.99, so I'm like, okay, let me get them. These are not youth. These are not youth. I don't think Children Place know what youth. This guy, so these are definitely not youth, but they look how pretty they are. And then I got some more shorts. and these are in size 12, and they have a little belt. And these were originally $26.95. I got it for $631, and I think I bought three of them. So this is a size 14, a size 4, and a size 12. I'm thinking this is gonna be because the size 12 will be for Lucian, the size 14 for Areem, and then the size 4 for Riley. I think Jax have a pair of these too from last year. And then I got me the onesies for the boys, and these $39.95. Got them for $6 something. Then I got this top, and this is supposed to be for me. This is supposed to be for me, but I don't know. And this was originally $24.95. It's a little bit short. I thought it would have been longer, but this is mine. And these were, I think, $1.99. I think they were $1.99. And I can't find it. Can't find it, guys. What? 657, 654. This probably was an accident. It's okay. Oh my god. And then I got a size 14 in the jeans for Aline. And then cuteness, guys. Cuteness overlord. Like, look at these. No, they're not mine. I'm not pregnant. But look how pretty they are. And this is a 2-pack dresses for I wish they would just put them on one page in opposed to 4 pages. So these were $8.42, originally $44.95. Oh my god. And are people really buying these stuff at full price? Not me. Never me. This is my other pack of the headbands. I got another one of the rompers for the boy. I mean the onesies for the boys. I got size 12 in the denim short, and I got a lot of shorts, just that they didn't have well, I wasn't willing to pay the prices for the tops that they have. $1.99 is my go-to price. I will pay up to $2.73, but that's the most I'll pay at Children's Place, so they didn't have those prices, so I didn't buy the tops. And then this one is in a size 14, and this was originally $24.95. And then guys, I just couldn't. I wanted to not, but I just could not. Oh my god, guys, they had these little shoes. Look at this. Oh my god. And these are originally $24.95, and I got them for $584. Sorry, $584. Look how pretty, guys. Look how pretty. And I got the black ones also, and I got a bunch of them, guys. The thing with Children Place, when they do have like the sales and stuff, they usually only have like the smaller size, and I'm gonna send these stuff home. Look how cute, guys. Look how cute. And they were all 24, and so they're all the same prices. I was trying to find like a little sandal for Jax, but they did not have on his side. But so cute. And then lastly, these ones. Hold on, that's not lastly. This is the last one. This one is just so pretty, so pretty. So cute, man. Like they have like the cutest little girl stuff. They do have nice boy stuff too, but most of the time, by the time I notice the sale, most of the stuff are gone. Yes, guys, so I paid, now you're gonna tell me how much I paid. This thing is so, anyways, yes, guys, so that was my little haul from the Children Place. Like, I'm really happy with the stuff that I got. I am happy that I was able to get the shorts, because most of the times, like I said, by the time I notice the sale, they're all gone. But next month, so August, they're gonna have like $4.99, so I'm gonna try to buy for next year. So wish me luck. And guys, check out Children Place online. Like, check for your sale. They have sale like really regular, and there's always a coupon code. There's always a $10 spend 40 get $10 off. There's always a code, so just check for your code and get yourself some cheap stuff. And if you are someone who go to Children Place and buy these for like regular price, these little shoes is $36.95, guys. I don't even like buying stuff for me that price. Yes, guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Check Children Place out. Like, Children Place is the best. Keep checking for the sales. Make sure that you sign up for the notifications, because they do have these sales regularly. The 70 to 80% off clearance, and always check your clearance section, because they always do have a lot of stuff on the clearance. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're new here and like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay safe, be kind, love hard, and forgive easy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Later, guys.